Seoul, the South Korean military deployed a number of fighter jets to respond to dozens of Russian and Chinese military aircraft that entered its airspace. The Russian and Chinese military aircraft reportedly entered the South Korean Air Defense Identification Zone (kadiz). As reported by Reuters, Tuesday, December 22, 2020, the Joint Chiefs of Staff of South Korea (JCS) said in a statement that 4 Chinese warplanes entered the cadre, which was followed by 15 Russian military aircraft on Tuesday, December 22 local time. The South Korean military deployed a number of its fighter jets for tactical action. In a statement, the South Korean military said the Chinese military had informed South Korea that its military planes were carrying out routine exercises before Chinese military aircraft entered the cadre. This incident appears to be a joint military exercise between China and Russia but requires further analysis, a JCS statement said. In July last year, South Korean warplanes fired hundreds of warning shots at Russian military aircraft conducting joint air patrols with China as they entered South Korean airspace. At that time, both South and Japan deployed fighter jets to intercept the patrol and accused Russia and China of violating their airspace. Russian and Chinese authorities denied the accusations.